Of course. Please go ahead and describe what you'd like to talk about or any help you need with your restoration project. I'm all ears.
I'm working on a 1955 Apache engine.
Nice. The 1955 Chevy Apache is a classic. What specifically are you focusing on with the engine right now? Are you doing a rebuild, some tuning, or tackling a specific issue?
I want to put a new cam in my LS Gen 3 engine.
Got it. Swapping in a new camshaft in your LS Gen 3 is a great way to boost performance. Are you looking for more torque at lower RPMs, or are you aiming for higher-end horsepower? And do you already have a camshaft in mind, or would you like some suggestions on picking the right one?
I'm looking for high-end horsepower from comp cams.
Great choice. Comp Cams has some excellent options for high-end horsepower gains on an LS Gen 3. If you're aiming to maximize top-end power, you'll want a cam with a higher duration and lift, as well as a more aggressive lobe separation angle. Do you know the specs of your current setup, like compression ratio, valve springs, and whether you're running forced induction or naturally aspirated?
Provide me with some ideas.
Sure thing. For high-end horsepower on a naturally aspirated LS Gen 3, a few popular cam profiles from Comp Cams stand out. One good option would be the Comp Cams LSR series. Something like the LSR Cathedral Port Cam with around 235 to 243 degrees of duration at 0.050 lift and with lift in the mid-600s range would really help that engine breathe at high RPMs. If you're open to a slightly more aggressive choice, the Comp Cams XR265HR series can give you even more top-end power, but you'll likely need upgraded valve springs and possibly a higher stall converter if you're running an automatic. And if you're planning on forced induction down the road, Comp Cams has blower grind cams that maintain high-end power while accommodating boost. Let me know if you have any specific preferences.